Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine at your home. At present time, the COVID-19 is very increased in our Alva city, so be careful and stay home, stay safe. If always keep mask in your mouth. Now we talk about our chapter 28, Human Reproductive System. Human reproductive system is divided in two types, male reproductive system and female reproductive system. In our previous videos, we talk about the male and female reproductive system and their important organs which help the reproduction process. Now we talk about the female reproductive systems have two accessory glands which are helpful to female reproduction process. These glands are, number first is Bartholin glands and number second is mammalian glands. Mammalian glands are present in our breast part and Bartholin glands are present in our vulva part. Now we talk about the first Bartholin gland. Bartholin gland, it means here, look here, Bartholin gland also we call greater vestibular gland. Bartholin gland is also called greater vestibular glands. Now, it present here on the both side of vaginal orifice. It present here when we talk about the vaginal surface, that we call the both sides of bean-shaped structure, bean-shaped glands are situated in labia majora part, that we call the Bartholin glands. Now, it secretes alkaline or lubricant substance. The Bartholin glands are secreted alkaline or lubricant glands. Lubricant it means smoothie, चिपचिप वाले होता है. That we call the lubricant. जैसे तेल जैसा, ऑयल जैसा मटेरियल जो है present है, that we call the lubricant. These secreted by the Bartholin gland. And what is the function of this? It keeps the vulva wet and sexual intercourse easy. It keeps the vulva wet. vulva part को wet करने का work जो होता है वो कहलाता है Bartholin gland is work it for vulva part wet and sexual intercourse easy. It means sexual reproduction. It will be help the sexual reproduction. It take it easy for the copulation process. Copulation process को easy बनाए रखने का work ये करता है. Now next is we talk about the breast. Breast, where it is situated, breast is also a accessory organ for female reproductive part. Breast is also a accessory organ. It means accessory है, female reproductive part में help कर रहा है. Next is one pair breast are present in our chest part and present in breast. Mammalian glands are present in breast part. One pair breast are present here and mammalian glands are present here. Now from the for side of chest part, it will be present here for side of chest part. There are so many connective tissue of each breast. There are so many connective tissue of each breast part. Now we talk about the look here. This is the structure of look like the breast part structure. The mammalian glands structure look like here. This is the and there are so many connective tissue of each breast part are present. It have 15 to 20 lobes which adipose tissue. It have 15 to 20 lobes यानी 15 से 20 जो होती हैं lobes यानी पालिकाएं. It means present here with the adipose tissue. These lobes present in mammalian gland secrete milk. These lobes look like here. This is the lobes are present here and these lobes secrete the milk part. It will be secrete the milk part which help the provide nutrition for newborn baby. यानी ये जो 15 से 20 लोब्स जो कि मैमेरियन ग्लैंड्स के अंदर प्रेजेंट हैं, ये मिल्क का सिक्रेशन कर रही हैं और ये मिल्क जो होता है वो न्यूट्रिशन को प्रोवाइड कराने का काम करता है किसको, जो न्यूबॉर्न बेबीज होते हैं वो मिल्क गेन करते हैं, तो वो न्यूबॉर्न बेबीज को न्यूट्रिशन प्रोवाइड कराते हैं. नेक्स्ट, the so many small ducts are present here also, and these ducts is called lactiferous ducts. Lactiferous ducts, there are so many lactiferous ducts which are open in nipple part. This part is called the nipple part, and so many lactiferous ducts are going and open into nipple part. Nipple part is a pigmented structure. It means its color is something dark for other skin, यानी इसका जो कलर होता है वो थोड़ा सा जो होता है, क्योंकि mammalian glands are very developed in female part, that the nipples are present in color in very dark. Now nipples have 15 to 25 pores are present in nipple part. There are the so many pores are present. Its the quantity, its the number is 15 to 25 and its thickness is 0.5 mm, यानी इसकी थिकनेस होती है वो 0.5 mm होती है. And these regulation of growth and function, यानी mammalian glands or secretion milk the it's mammalian glands for regulation of growth function. There are the so many hormones which are responsible to growth of mammalian glands. It means how many hormones like somatotropin, prolactin, estrogen, progesterone. Somatotropin, prolactin, estrogen and progesterone, these oxytocin, these are the hormones are helpful to growth and function of mammalian gland. Now the milk contain which then when the secretion of milk contain the fat, lactose, casein, calcium, vitamins. These all are substances, these all are components are present in milk. It means फैट मिल्क के अंदर प्रेजेंट है, लैक्टोज है, कैल्शियम है, केसीन है. तो ये जो मेन जो है ये सब न्यूट्रिशंस को प्रोवाइड कराने वाले जो है वो मिल्क के सिक्रेशन के अंदर प्रेजेंट होते हैं. तो दिस मिल्क also help them because anti-regulation work. What is this? It will be provided the protection of any infection of a newborn baby. यानी किसी भी न्यूबॉर्न बेबी को किसी भी इन्फेक्शन से सेव करने का काम भी जो मिल्क होता है वो करता है, क्योंकि उसके अंदर बहुत सारी सब्सटेंसेस की प्रेजेंस होती है. इसके अलावा न्यूट्रिशन देने का वर्क तो वो कर ही रहा है, साथ में उसके इन्फेक्शन से भी सेव करने का वर्क करता है. तो टुडे वी टॉक अबाउट द Bartholin gland and mammalian glands which are present in breast part. आप regular must see your regular videos daily study with our online videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.